decline in the U.S. According to an economist at the Center for Economics and Business Research in London, today's data wipes out any illusion that the Eurozone is getting off lightly in this global downturn. The performance was worse than what many economists had expected. It was most pronounced in Germany. There, the economy shrank by 2.1% in the last quarter alone. Germany was not the only European economy to do worse than expected. France declined by 1.2%, while Italy declined by 1.8%. The Lloyd's insurer Beazley Group is to raise £150 million in its rights issue. As it said, it's boosting its American presence with the acquisition of an underwriting agency and restructuring its operations with a Jersey holding company with Irish tax status, as well as a new Irish reinsurer, all because of full-year results being in line with analyst forecasts. The Numis Securities underwritten rights issue is priced at 86p a share. This represents a 21% discount to yesterday's close of 108.5p. Beazley said that the cash raised will support the expansion of its underwriting activities at Lloyd's and the acquisition of U.S. underwriting manager First State Management Group for $35.5 million U.S. from Hartford. Beazley said First State will, quote, significantly increase its presence as an insurer of mid-sized U.S. commercial risk that doesn't normally come into Lloyd's. The Lloyd's insurer has been a reinsurer of First State for a number of years. Beazley's corporate structure, meanwhile, will see it set up a new holding company for the group in Jersey that has Republic of Ireland tax residency. And AIG is putting some more assets up for sale. These are actual office buildings and property assets. The sales are part of AIG's plans to dispose of assets and businesses to pay back the American government. AIG has started the sales process for its Otemachi building in Tokyo. This is a prized property. It overlooks the Imperial Palace in Tokyo. The property could fetch about $1 billion. Merrill Lynch is running the auction for the Tokyo building. AIG is also in advanced talks to sell its San Juan Marriott hotel property in Puerto Rico. This could fetch a pretty penny as well, though no estimates have been given. And then in Dubai, the company is in advanced negotiations to sell 2 fully leased low-rise office buildings in the Emaar Business Park. In the United States, when you watch automobile commercials, sometimes they have performance videos of the cars driving at fast speeds, climbing hills, and going around tracks with great slopes and inclines. If you look very carefully, you can see small print saying, "Closed track, test driver, do not attempt this on your own." Well, apparently when you have access to roads that have no speed limits, you don't need to have closed tracks to run your tests. This is an interesting story. A 51-year-old man died in Germany this morning while behind the wheel of a prototype for the next generation Porsche 911. The man was a Porsche engineer. He was driving the vehicle on the A5 Autobahn south of Frankfurt at about 2:45 this morning when he lost control and slammed into a wall. Speaking with the German newspaper Frankfurter Allgemeine Zeitung, a spokesman for Porsche said the engineer was one of our most experienced test drivers. He confirmed that the prototype that he was driving was for the new 911 and that it had been covered with fake panels to mask parts of the vehicle's appearance. Local authorities are still investigating the accident, but eyewitnesses claim that the prototype, with its masked panels, hopefully not over the windshield, was driving at a high rate of speed before the crash. The location of the crash was midway between Frankfurt and Heidelberg, and a particular stretch of road where the accident occurred had no speed limit. Numerous prototypes for the new 911 have been spotted testing on German highways in recent months. Testing is still in the early stages, as the new model is not expected to debut in production until early 2011. The stock market is down about 28 points. It's not as much down as it was when we started, so we're at 79.04, which is still 904 points higher than 12 years ago. There will not be a broadcast on Monday. Monday is the celebration of President's Day in the United States. It's a national holiday. So we will see you again on Tuesday. Unless there's any breaking news, we might come back and see you today. Thank you for watching and have a good weekend.